Are you ready to boost creativity in your profession with Wondershare DemoCreator? If you're a teacher, import your teaching presentations, highlight the key points with live annotations, visually explain complex concepts using the whiteboard. If you're a marketer, seamlessly connect to online conferences and present your content while being on screen. Deliver impactful presentations that leave a lasting impression. If you're a HR, create your employee training videos, make it accessible, flexible, and reusable. If you're a programmer, record your code demos, walkthroughs, or documentation videos for effective team communications. What about a designer? Showcase your skills by sharing your desktop screen. Gain more visibility and followers by sharing your work on social media platforms. No matter what your profession is, Wondershare DemoCreator empowers you to present yourself in your own unique way. Express your profession, present your story. Try Wondershare DemoCreator today.